So you're looking into getting banking set up for your business and you've come across Mercury. But with all the other platforms out there like Novo and Relay that offer pretty similar features, what really sets Mercury apart? Well, in today's video, we're going to cover what Mercury actually offers, how it compares to other business banking platforms, and the key features you need to know about before signing up. So diving right into things, what is Mercury? Well, Mercury is a fully online business banking platform built for startups, tech companies, and digital-first businesses. Mercury accounts are eligible for up to $5 million in FDIC coverage thanks to a sweep network that distributes the deposit across partner institutions, and everything's going to be managed fully online. That means no branches, no checkbooks, and no phone calls needed in order to open your account. When it comes to features, you're looking at no monthly fees or minimums. You've also got no overdraft charges on their standard business checking account. They're also going to be a great place for you if you have high cash balances. So again, that $5 million of FDIC insurance definitely makes them stand out. But if you have over $450,000 in your Mercury account, you're going to get Treasury access. What this basically means is that you can earn yield through low-risk US government securities, i.e. Treasuries, on your idle cash. So this currently ranges anywhere from about 4 to 5% APY on your funds, which is very nice because you don't have to move your funds somewhere else to earn that yield. It can all just happen where your business checking account already lives. On top of that, they've got virtual cards and spend management built in, so you can instantly issue unlimited virtual or physical debit cards, set spending limits, manage team transactions in real time, which is especially helpful for remote teams or quick growing companies where you need to say allocate a marketing budget to the marketing team and a sales budget to the sales team and an ops budget to the ops team. You can do all of that very easily within Mercury. They've also got a variety of different perks and rewards for startups. So currently they offer over $100,000 in startup partner rewards at places like AWS, Notion, Stripe, all tailored towards early stage founders. So all these tools you're probably already using, you can get either free access to or discounted access to through Mercury. But let's dive a little bit more into the difference between the free tier and the paid tier. So on the free tier, you've got your standard account, $0 a month, no fees, no minimums, unlimited virtual and physical cards, that $5 million in FDIC insurance, API access, team management, those perks that we talked about. This is really going to be most suitable for startups and small businesses. Now, their other tier is called Tea Room and is invite only. So for really high growth or funded companies, this could be something that you may receive an invite to, and it's going to allow you to access things like priority support and concierge services. You're going to have higher transaction limits. You're going to have exclusive perks. You're going to have early access to different features. Generally though, there's a few groups of businesses that Mercury is really going to be best for. First, obviously your startups, your tech founders. Mercury's built for you. It's really solid there. Also going to be great for remote first businesses and agencies just due to the ability to create different departments, automations, and allocate funds in different ways. Also, if you are a company that maintains a large cash balance, being able to tap into treasuries directly from your banking platform, that's a huge advantage that can allow you to passively earn hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars a year. If you're a team that needs that virtual card control, spending visibility across the company and across departments, that's a huge area where Mercury shines. And if you just want a modern banking solution for your business with no fees and no fluff. However, there are some things you need to know about Mercury that may inform your decision. So first, you've got no cash deposits. So Mercury does not support physical cash deposits. There's no brick and mortar place you can go and take your cash and ask them to put it into your account. Doesn't exist. They did also update their international wire fees somewhat recently. So international wires in USD are now free for the sender, which is great. Additionally, you're not going to get interest on your regular balances. So unless you qualify for the Mercury Treasury, i.e. you have $450,000 or more in your account, that standard checking account is not going to earn any interest at all, which could be a con for you. But let's zoom out a little bit and talk about how Mercury compares to some of the other popular options out there. First of which is going to be Relay. So this is what I personally use for my different businesses. You can also use that to set up profit first if that's something you're into. And you can add up to 50 different team cards with different limits. So For teams, for service-based businesses, generally Relay is going to be a little bit better for you than Mercury. Another option you may have heard of is North One, which is really going to shine for budgeting simplicity because of their envelope style sub-accounts. So kind of similar to Relay, but a little bit more focused on budgeting. And you are going to be earning interest of up to 2.5% on their standard tier or 3% on their plus tier, regardless of your account balance. So if you don't quite hit that threshold of 450K, then North One might be a better place for you to actually earn some EAT. Mercury, on the other hand, really gonna be best for startups, scale-ups, with that $0 per month standard plan, $5 million in FDIC insurance, treasuries that unlock at 450K, free wires, advanced API access, startup perks. Really, it's just tailored for the fast-growing startup. The interface is also quite pretty, UI is solid, makes it easy to get done what you want to get done and not have to spend too much time in your banking platform. But if you do need personal service or support, just important to keep in mind that everything is fully virtual. So if you do want to sign up, try out Mercury for yourself, feel free to use the link in the description below for the best available offer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.